Guys, so welcome to my channel. Welcome back to Synthetic Dev. And if this is your new time, this is the first time on Synthetic Dev, don't forget to subscribe and like this video. So in my previous video on Learn Backend, I teach you how to create server using only Node.js. But in this video now, you're going to be using Node.js alongside with Express.js, and to make you to create a better API. So without further ado, let's dive in. So first, you need to initialize your repo. Sorry, I have a bad voice. And when you initialize your repo, then you need to install Express. So I will be installing Express and also Node.1. So Node.1 will help us to restart our server automatically. So let me install Node.1. And it will take a little bit time. Okay, so let us create the file. So, and that is done, and let me create a file called server.js. So you can name it any name you like. It's not necessary you give it server.js. You can name it app.js or main.js or anything. So first, I would like to use let me use the ex5 syntax. So you can express is going to require express and express, and that is it. And to initialize the express, we need to initialize it and use it. So I'll just say app and initialize the express, then invoke it just like a normal function. And now let me use app.get / and this app.get is a route. So when you go to maybe localhost, and so let me just create it first so you can know what I'm talking about. And it will take two parameters, that is the request and response. And that, so let's send a response of hello. So the desktop first, and that is hello world. And first, before we can make the server run, we have to set the port, as you all know, and the port will be, and if you watch my previous video, I told you that the port you can use process.env.port. The env start for environment.port, or default port of, I can use 5000. So what this process.env.port means is that maybe you are deploying your app to like a server like Heroku, and the server Heroku will choose the server. Maybe you will be using the Heroku server, maybe the port default port on Heroku, or the default port of 5000. So when deploying it, you just have to use it like this so that you won't have any problem when you are deploying your app. So that's all about the port. And for the package adjacent file, I have to set the scripts here to development so that we'll be able to use the Node.1, and that is Node.1, and that Node.1 and the name of the server you are running, and that is server.js, and save. And that is it. And then we close the package.json file and come down here to say npm run dev, and here you can see now the server start, and that is it. So let me check here, and as you can see, let me type localhost 5,000. Let's check, maybe we're getting a response. Okay, and it's like we got in a problem. Const. Okay, sorry, we just have to add the app.listen to port, and let's console the log when the port is running. So let's say, also let me use the backtick. So server running on port, let me say port, and save again, and let's say server server running. It should be server running, just a typo, and let's wait a minute. Server running on port 5000. So let's go back and reload, and here's the test. Hello world. And if you are going to be using normal, and that is how to create your server using Express alongside with NodeJS. But also, if you like this video, don't forget to smash the like button and also share it for other people to watch. So see you in my next video.